Hey everyone! Today we're going over how to maintain excellent email deliverability by cleaning your email list and segmenting contacts in platforms like Klaviyo. Focusing on engaged subscribers is key to improving open rates and overall deliverability. First, authenticate your sending domain. To ensure your emails reach the inbox and not the spam folder, you must properly authenticate your domain using DNS records. 1. Access domain settings. Navigate to your profile photo, go to Settings, then Domains. 2. Configure records. Set up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. SPF, Sender Policy Framework, authorizes which IP addresses can send mail for your domain. DKIM, Domain Keys Identified Mail, adds a cryptographic signature to verify message integrity. DMARC defines how receivers should handle messages that fail SPF or DKIM checks. Next, create the Engaged Subscribers segment. We'll create a segment to isolate only the contacts who are actively interacting with your emails. 1. Locate lists and segments. Click Audience in the left navigation, then choose Lists and Segments. 2. Create segment. Click Create segment. 3. Set criteria. Define the segment criteria to include contacts who have opened or clicked any email in the last 90 days. 4. Name the segment. Name the segment Engaged Subscribers. Next, suppress or remove unengaged users. After the segment is built, you can act on the rest of the list, the unengaged contacts, to protect your sender reputation. 1. Suppress. Suppress unengaged contacts for future sends. 2. Delete. Alternatively, you can delete them completely from your master list. 3. Benefit. Focusing on engaged contacts improves open rates and overall deliverability. 4. Monitor deliverability. Regularly check your metrics to maintain a strong sending reputation. 1. Open Dashboard. Navigate to Analytics/Deliverability to view the performance dashboard. 2. Watch metrics. Key metrics to monitor include deliverability score, the overall health indicator of your sending reputation, bounce details, breakdown of hard versus soft bounces to help identify problematic addresses, and detailed reports. View trends over time for opens, clicks, and spam complaints. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.